Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a comparison video on these two beautiful bags from Louis Vuitton, and it's the Speedy 20 in Monogram and in Damier Ebene, and this is the new release bag right now that it's in the craze. I'm so happy that I was able to snag one before it came out of stock at the store. I already used this bag once and I've been enjoying it, and let's get started in comparing both bags, as both are a classic and a beautiful, functional, practical bag that we love through these years. We're gonna talk about their aesthetic look and then their functionality, and we're gonna also compare the straps and the practicality of the bag, and we'll also do some mud shots at the end. So let's get started. So this bag has the same size as they are both Speedy 20, and this Monogram is in vachette leather, and this one has also a vachette trim over here and has this tab in here that holds the D-ring. I love this look better than the bandolier, as if you're gonna remove the strap, it looks way prettier rather than having like a long strap over here, in my opinion. At the bottom has no feet, and also I love this two zipper pull that extended up to the side of the bag. So the Damier Ebene also has the same qualifications, except that this is in dark brown and a classic Damier Ebene look, and this is worry-free rather than this one, as we have to be mindful for the strap not to have watermarks on. The straps that I got in this Monogram Speedy 20 is non-adjustable, while this one is adjustable. And I'd like to focus on the strap first, and I'm gonna show you what I've seen on both bags. I got the black version on the Monogram, and the Damier Ebene has the lighter subtle color of brown. And here, as you can see, this is the Damier Ebene leather and this is the vachette leather on the Monogram, and both has the same hardware. And if you look closely on the design of the strap, it looks like this. And this is shorter. I'm gonna put this at the longest so you're gonna see. So let's do a quick measurement on the length of the short strap that I have from my Monogram Speedy. This is 42 inches long, non-adjustable strap, while the Damier Ebene strap at its longest it's 50 and 1/4. So 50 and 1/4 at its longest on this beautiful Damier Ebene strap. At first, I'm not really drawn to this kind of dull color, but in person, it made me understand that this complement the dark color of the Speedy 20 handbag, and I kind of appreciate and like this subtle color that it has. This strap in my Monogram is reversible. As you can see, it reverses to this Louis Vuitton and then the flower design at the back, while this one, I don't think it can be reversible, as this one, the buckle is facing on this side where Louis Vuitton pattern is at, and if you'll reverse it, this will be bulky on our shoulder. So this one is non-reversible, I should say, but the back part is also pretty. So if we're gonna wear this, it's always on this Louis Vuitton side. And because of this buckle in here, this strap is tad heavier than this one. I like that this one is very light. However, if you are taller, this one will be shorter. One thing to extend this non-adjustable strap is to use this extension, which can be also attached in here, like so. This is also from Louis Vuitton. I got this years ago, and this is a keychain. However, you can use this as a strap extension, and it will add 3 inches longer on the length of the strap. Both are pretty strap, though this one is more striking as the color has pink and black and brown, while this one is just the subtle hint of brown, which I love with the Ebene Speedy 20. It just complements each other. I'm surprised that I really love the subtle color of this strap on the Damier. I love that Speedy 20 has a lining inside, which add to the shape of the bag, as the regular Speedy doesn't have the thick lining. This one has the red thick lining, which add the structure on the bag. See? And you can remove it if you want to clean it up. And inside both has this insert for the cards. We already know the beauty of the Monogram and the Damier Ebene, so there's not much more I could talk about it. However, if you want to see what can fit in this bag, I can show you. I have this insert from Zumuni and I really love it. This is the thin insert, and inside I have, supposing this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I have this recto verso wallet. I have this sunglasses from Celine, so Celine sunglasses, this YSL lipstick, and this Dior lip glow. And I also have this Chanel hand cream and this Super Goop sunscreen, my Too Faced, my favorite eyebrow pencil, the Too Faced eyebrow pencil, my hand sanitizer, and here in the pocket I have this Chanel eyeshadow and the mirror, and let's all put it in here. It's really nice to have an organizer, as it will protect the interior of our bag. And I have 20% off, guys. If you want to save from your organizers, just use Stardust LV at Zumuni.com and you'll be able to save 20% off. And this is all what it looks like inside. It's so organized that you can also place more stuff here in the pocket. And I'm gonna shove this inside this Speedy 20 DE, and it looks like this inside. I really love this new addition, Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene, guys, as it has variety now. You can like enjoy your Louis Vuitton canvas in both Monogram and DE if you wish to have both. I really love this Speedy 20 that I have, that I've been wanting to add one more. I've been looking at the leather version. However, when this came out, it's a no-brainer for me to get this in the Damier Ebene, as well as I want to switch bag from Monogram to this, as I really enjoy this size Speedy 20. So it looks like this in front. One thing to point out, the disadvantages of having a Monogram Speedy is at the back it is upside down, so we have to be mindful to put it in front. The DE as well has an inverted Louis Vuitton here at the back, and here it's more at the right pattern. However, it's just a small print that you can never know that this is upside down. Which way you're gonna wear it, it's okay because of the checkered pattern that it has. You can wear it both sides, while this one is too obvious that it's upside down. So this one I think is more practical than this Monogram, as this is worry-free. It doesn't have a lighter leather, so even if it's raining, you can use this in the rain. Both are pretty purses though. If you're gonna ask me which one is my favorite, I only have this for 2 days now, while this one I've been enjoying for the last year, and I love this more, just a little bit, than this one. However, both are pretty bag, and this one makes me really happy when I was able to add it in my bag collection. And I have a lot of Monogram already, and it is nice to be able to add the Damier Ebene. This is my other Damier Ebene handbag, which I only have one purse in this pattern, and I got this years ago. And if you're gonna put it side by side, I think this new one is more shiner than this, but it's very, very comparable to the look, and both have the same like thickness to it, but just a little bit shinier, maybe because this is new than this one. I barely use this bag, but I'm also glad that I have this, as they are already like limiting the production of this never full and I got one in rose ballerine, and this is still very, very clean, guys. I used this only a couple of times, and it's nice that I have another DE handbag in my bag collection, and I really, really love this both. So what do you think about this, guys? Which one is your favorite, whether DE or Monogram? You can never go wrong with owning a Speedy 20 handbag, as it is so cute and it is so functional. It looks pretty on. I also enjoyed the thick strap that goes with it. I love both straps. This strap just complements the Damier Ebene Speedy 20, and I am also happy that I got the non-adjustable one when this one came out, as this is lighter than the adjustable. So let's go ahead and do the mud shots. And again, thank you for watching, and please hit like if you find this useful, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time.